This is lesson for present tense, past tense, and future tense. And I may can sentence and corner right ke wale, ti right ke me pan ka ti right ke run ke wawanyam chale future. Mishiwo I do, the I did. I do a wale, I did a pan. I will do a run. Bajalat tirun ke bajalat ka gwasangon ya. Bajalat en wale chajalat pananaman. I run, I ran. I will run. I go, I went. I will go. I think, I thought, I will think. I make, I made, I will make. I am, I was, I will be. I hate, I hate, I will hate. I drink, I drank, I will drink. I know, I knew, I will know. I say, I said, I will say it. I take, I talk, I will take. I bring, I brought, I will bring. I write, I wrote, I will write. I get, I got, I will get. I have, I had, I will have. I catch, I caught, I will catch. I tell, I told, I will tell. This is present, this is past tense, and this is future tense. So you will understand that in present tense nothing changed. When you go to past, it will talk about the thing of yesterday, thing that you did yesterday, and for the future tense it will talk about things that you are going to do in the future or things that you will do tomorrow. So please do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.